Welcome back to Daytime, everyone. If you're looking to beat the heat with some quick, easy, and delicious lunch, dinner, and appetizer recipes, we have got you covered. Lifestyle expert Jennifer Bonner joins us now with an ingredient that will elevate your summer recipes with fresh flavor and beautiful color. Hi, Jennifer.
Hi, Cindy. Thanks for having me. I know when I'm hosting, I always like to have something up my sleeve, and my secret weapon for the summer and all year round is NatureSweet Tomatoes. Whether it's a fresh salad, anything from the grill, or even a mouth-watering appetizer, I really want my recipes to pop with color and flavor, and these do just that. They're the single source solution for organic and conventional greenhouse grown vegetables in North America because they're always vine nurtured and hand-picked at the peak of freshness, which guarantees great taste all year round. They have a delicious lineup for any recipe, including cherubs, glories, twilights, comets, divines, and the Constellation variety. If you're looking to make summer a little sweeter, make sure you use these Constellation tomatoes. They'll really catch everyone's eye. They're bright and bite-sized, and they're a blend of NatureSweet's sweetest tomato products.
Yum. What's the best way to serve them up?
Yeah, you can enjoy them in your favorite appetizers or meals. The Constellation Spring Cheese Board is an easy one to put together, or you could try the Constellation Bruschetta or the Constellation Salad with grilled peaches and burrata. All three take 20 minutes or less to throw together and will be a big hit at all your summer gatherings. There's a ton of other recipes available at naturesweet.com as well.
All right, where can we find the NatureSweet line?
NatureSweet tomatoes are sold at major grocers, mass retailers, club stores, and food service operators in the United States, Canada, and Mexico. They're known for their innovative packaging, but also having over 7,000 amazing associates who carefully grow, harvest, and package these award-winning quality tomatoes. And on top of all of that, NatureSweet is also committed to having a positive social, environmental, and economic impact on the communities in which they operate.
Fantastic. Thank you so much for the secret summer weapon, Jen.
You're welcome. I'll see you next time.
Always good to see you, Jennifer. There's more daytime to come, so stick around.